Hi, and thanks for stopping by on this great day. You guessed it, it's Bill again with Great Lakes Specialty Equipment and DeltaTankers.com, bringing you our Morgantown, Kentucky rescue truck about to be delivered. This crew cab 2011 Ford F550 four-wheel drive features a 12-foot galvanized steel body for strength, backboard storage, 2-bottle cascade, multiple cylinder storage, a Zymatic carousel multi-bracket holder for 4 air packs, slide out trays, ROM roll-up doors with ROM lighting, special graphics, durable line compartments top to bottom, slide master pull-out trays, and a real power 12,500 watt generator. For more information, DeltaTankers.com. Thanks.